Everybody, Tuxedo Grey Wolf here. Now we're playing The Walking Dead, episode 20, part 3. 20-ish, part 3. This is the part 3 of The Walking Dead. Now, we're gonna start continuing. Maybe put the brightness up a little, okay, guys?
Say hi to your dad. Yeah. Sorry, Sean. Chad wasn't good to you. One of the best. Take care of you, too.
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be bad here, too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Old Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I ran into Andre outside of Atlanta, and, Chad, he got killed.
No, you're kidding.
Those things got him. Dad, I don't know what's going on.
I'm sorry, Sean. You brought a couple guests.
We, need a place to stay.
You're welcome to stay here tonight. I don't run a bed and breakfast. So it's just you and your daughter, then?
Oh, not his daughter. He was her neighbor.
Honey, do you know this man?
Yes.
Okay, then. Well, you hurt your leg pretty bad there.
No.
Yeah, it's not doing so good.
Might be able to get out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is swollen to hell.
Oh, shit. And I would say it hurts like hell.
It hurts like hell.
I bet it does. What did you say your name was?
It's Lee.
It's Lee.
Nice to meet you, Lee. I'm Herschel Green.
I'll put my right here, right there.
How'd this happen?
Car accident.
Car accident.
That's so. Where were you headed before the car accident?
Just, out for a drive. We hit a guy. One of those things you've been hearing about. On the road.
Who were you with? The girl?
The police
I was
officer.
with a police officer. He was giving me a ride.
Awful nice of him.
I'm an awful nice guy.
House is full up with mine. We got another displaced family of 3 sleeping in the barn. You and your daughter are welcome to rest there, and we're done here. I didn't catch your name, darling.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
Looking after her until we, find her parents.
Hey, Dad, so I'm thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
But what happened to your friend? Maybe that's not a bad idea.
It smells like...
Manure.
manure? Like when a horse plops?
Just like that.
Yeah,
I miss my mom and dad.
I don't want to say shit in front of a girl.
I bet, Clem.
Yep.
How far is Savannah?
She totally missed
Pretty
her
far.
parents.
Oh, okay. I love you, baby.
What the heck? What the heck happened there?
Hey, get up.
I'm itchy.
Well, you slept in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
I'm, not her dad. Name's Lee.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the middle of a fence. There's a tractor and everything.
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though.
Duck?
Doc?
Yeah, nothing bothers him. Like water off a duck's back, you know?
That's a valuable trait lately.
No kidding. But frankly, I think it's because he's dumb as a bag of hammers.
Dad!
But he makes up for it with enthusiasm. The word is,
That
you were on
woman
your
looks
way to
like
Macon.
rape. Looks like the rapist of the
Well,
family.
Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
Sure, we'll tag
Sure,
along.
we'll tag along.
It's a plan, then. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On the tractor? Cool!
Duck and I will hop to it.
I can keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
Alright, we'll just skip this old rapist girl. Oh wait, let's help this old man then reaching for. Be sure to check with everybody. Be sure to check with everyone you've met so far. Sorry guys, I can't speak that much English.
Hey there,
I'm more
Kenny.
like a Latino.
Need any help?
And Hispanic.
No, I think I got it. Do you need any help?
What do you mean?
I mean, in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
I'm okay.
I think I've got it handled okay. Long as I keep her safe, I think I'm doing all right.
With
Can
those
you
things
learn
out
something
there,
about me?
maybe, sure, that's enough. But you gotta ask yourself if you're the type of guy who can do better than that if her parents don't show up.
I'll keep that in mind.
How's your son doing?
How's your son doing?
Good, I think. Katya's got a sister up in Memphis. We were coming back from visiting her. We were in a gas station and some guy grabbed my boy. I thought he was kidnapping him. I was on the fucker in about 2 seconds. Christ. Just lucky I was there. We saw a lot of bodies before we stumbled upon Herschel's. We're a tough family, Lee. Ain't nothing gonna faze us.
What's your plan
So what's
then?
your family's plan?
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out. Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my boat, I guess.
You've got a boat.
I'm a commercial fisherman, catching mackerel, dolphin, whatever's biting and paying. Katya wouldn't be wild about it, but the boat's not that bad.
See ya.
Yep. See ya, bitch. See ya, bitch. I'm leaving. I'm leaving, you fucker. See ya, bitch. I ain't gonna learn from you. Oh, hey. Oh, shit, I should put that
How you
in.
doing, Doc?
Good. I'm going to drive the tractor. I'm the foreman. Lift with your back, Sean.
You know how to drive it?
Sure don't. I can give you a hell of a critique of the U.S. Farm Bill, though.
I'm good.
Let me see. Talk to Sean.
Hey, Lee.
Need a hand?
Need a hand?
That'd be great. If you could cut those 2x to length, that'd sure speed things up.
What am I gonna do? Am I gonna do this?
My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No, he message?
I saw a guy in Atlanta kill a kid. A boy. Just shot him right in the face.
Was the boy one of
Was
the
the
walkers?
boy one of the walkers?
I don't even know. He was either attacking the guy or asking for help. He didn't even hesitate. He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger. You don't see things like that. It's not like in the movies.
Middle of the eyes? Oh,
fall
that
like
gotta
you
hurt.
Did you have to do it?
Do what?
Kill. Have you had off one yet?
Oh,
I had to shoot
I
one.
had to shoot one.
I could shoot one. Maybe. If it were far away. I'm just glad we're getting this fence built. Dad just wants to keep the family safe and thinks inviting people in is a bigger threat than whatever's out there. How about yours? How's your family?
Not too close with my family.
Oh. Well, they
I don't
weren't
know
in
where
Atlanta,
the
right?
family
So
is.
that's good. That's probably all I need cut for now. Thanks.
I'm sorry about your friend.
Thanks. I appreciate it, man. Anyway, when you see my dad around, he might want some help in the barn.
Okay. I go. See ya, fucker. Hey, bitch, want a hand? Want a hand, bitch? Come on, let me talk to you. Hershey. I'll call him Hershey. The chocolate bar Hershey.
How'd you get out of Atlanta?
I got a ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well, you're no worse for wear.
This farm's a nice plot of land.
Had you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was a plan.
Shut the fuck up.
Building a
I'm not
place
full
like
of crap,
this.
you piece of
It
old
was in
man.
the family, and I guess so was it. Family's important. It's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents?
None
Wife,
of your
girlfriend?
business, bitch.
My parents are in Macon with my brother.
Well, I hope they're all right. But now you've got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
I was being attacked and she came to my
Yep.
rescue.
Remember the redheaded fuck and the pervert? She grabbed my leg and pulled
Can I
it.
give
She
you a
wanted
piece
my
of
dick.
advice?
Sure.
Sure. I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're going to have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're going to make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're going to be in trouble. But at least you have the common sense to listen to a man giving you advice.
What the fuck?
Go! I'll get my gun!
What the heck is happening? Oh shit, there's a lot of walkers. Who should I decide? That guy. I should decide to save Cook. Look, I'm in. Kick him. Boom! Right in the head.
I got you.
Tractor off of me! Please, help me, please!
Oh shit, no. No. Oh shit, the headshot. Oh, it just blew his head off. Oh god. That's it for the video, guys. Hope to see you next time and see you guys later. Thanks for watching my video. Leave a like or subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.